Okay, now I hope that all of you have understood what LCM is and what is the method of finding out LCM of numbers. Now perhaps some students might have this problem or might have this doubt in their head that, sir, you said that if we are finding out the LCM of numbers, then we have to just divide these numbers by the prime numbers we select from the list of prime numbers. So it's very easy to divide 15 and 20 because we know the table of numbers in which these two numbers are present. But what about numbers we don't know, sir? What about numbers we don't know whether they are present in the table of any other number or not? For example, 63 and 72. 63 and 72. If you are asked to calculate the LCM of 63 and 72, Similarly, you are asked to calculate the LCM of two numbers which you don't know the table of. For example, this is the best example, 63 and 72. I have taken this example from page number 69 of your book. Problem K, 4K. This is 4K. Okay. No issues. Actually, if you don't know the table, you will not directly write. You will divide it first, then you will write. No issues. And if once you become expert, you can do it verbally. So, when you are trying to find out the LCM of 63 and 72, what are we exactly doing? Or what we have to do is that we have to divide both of these numbers by a prime number. Now, one can argue, sir, 63 comes in the table of 7, but 72 doesn't. Okay, 63 comes in the table of 7, but 72 doesn't. No issues. It is not obligatory upon you. You are not obliged to divide both of these numbers at the same time. It's always better to divide both numbers at the same time, but it's not obligatory upon you. Okay, it's not compulsory. The main point is that you are dividing these numbers by a prime number. So if I write 7 over here, no issues. 7 9s is 63 and 72 is not coming in the table of 7. So that's why I will copy as it is. Now you can see that 9 comes in the table of 3. So we can divide 9 by 3. Now 72. We know the table of 3 till 10. 3 tens are 30. So some students can say, sir, 72 is not coming in the table of 3, sir. So that's why we will be copying 72 as it is. No. Hold on. If you are having a number which you don't know the table of, which you don't know the exact table in which it comes, so use the divisibility test. And what is that? If you are dividing these numbers by 3, then check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. How are you going to check? Very easy. You just add these digits. So 7 plus 2, my dear students, 7 plus 2 is 9. That means for sure 72 is divisible by 9 because 72 is divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits is divisible by 3 itself. So 72 will be divisible by 3. Now the question is, what we will write over here, that is how many times we will count the table of 3 to get 72, because we know the table of 3 till 10. So how can we count the table of 3 to get 72? No issues. If you don't know the table, how many times will you get 72? Just divide it by 3. We are actually dividing it, na? So you just divide 72 by 3. So 3 2s is 6, 1 2, and 3 4s is 12. So we got 24 as the answer. So this 24 will be put over here. Again, you can divide both of these numbers by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s is 24, and 8 will be divided by 2. 1 will be copied as it is. 2 4s are 8. Again 4 will be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, and again 2 will be divided by 2. So unless and until you get ones in the last step, you will continue dividing. Okay, so what will be the answer? Just multiply these prime numbers and you will get your answer that is the LCM. So 7 3s is 21, 21 3s is 21 3s is 63, and 63 2s is 102, 106, 26, 126 2s is 252, and 252 2s is 4, 504. So 504 will be the answer. Okay.